Hi guys, you might remember this super slow robot. It's a solar kit that I made earlier on this year. Really pleased with it. It works ever so well, except that it's incredibly slow. But today, or in fact the last week or so, has been dull, misty, rainy weather. And I had an idea. It's something I've done before. I thought I would convert him to run off a supercapacitor. So that's what I've done. The solar panel is disconnected, supercapacitor on the back, and he's walking away. The only thing is, the weather has tidied right up and the sun is shining. I mean, it's very low in the sky. It won't be enough to actually run him, but it does make this seem a little bit silly that I've converted him to supercapacitor and the sun's come out. Anyway, as you can see, he is moving. If I short him out, that should kill the supercapacitor. Yeah, that's all right. So that's killed the supercapacitor. So to charge him, I need to use this, which is off one of those power-ups, or sky drive as it calls it here. I've carefully labelled it, so I've got the plus and the minus the right way round. So if I just stick that on there, if I can, I don't know if I can do this with one hand. We'll find out in a minute if I take it off. No, that wasn't good enough. Right, camera on the tripod now, so we can actually see what we're doing. So make sure we get this the right way round. Hold that on there. You can actually see he's starting to move while we charge the supercapacitor up. That's probably enough. And there we go. Supercapacitor powered robot. Let's see if I can just get the camera back out of the mount tripod. Come on. Oh. He's actually going a little bit quicker, isn't he? Because I gave it a good charge then. I do like this one. It's very cheap. I don't know how much the original kit would have cost, but obviously I bought it in a charity shop. So I probably only paid £1 or £2 or something for it. And it does work off the solar panel. But with the supercapacitor modification, it's probably going quicker because that supercapacitor, you can charge up to 2.7 volts. And I expect we'll probably only get in about 1.5 volts out of the solar panel. I'll have a look in my files because I did a little solar dinosaur the same way. So if I can find the video, I'll put a link to it, along with the links to my other solar projects. I think there's a playlist just for this fella, so that'll be in the video description. He's going on for ages, isn't he? Wonder how long he's going to last for. Well, we're up to nearly 3 minutes of video time. He doesn't look like he's slowing down. I'll have to put him on a tether or something, see if I can get him to go round in a circle, see how long he lasts for. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.